This video is in partnership with Steady, Enjoy DIY Life, and Snapfit Collectibles. Fuel your passion at Snapfit Collectibles. You can follow them on their social media platforms and e-commerce stores to see their latest releases for our hobby needs. What's up, fellow builders? Today, join me unbox, build, and review the newest bootleg released by TX model, the 1:144 high-grade OLTLINDE. This is a bootleg copy of P. Bandai's high-grade Linde, first seen in the manga series Mobile Suit Gundam Iron-Blooded Orphans Gecko. Let's go! Verdict time. The plastic is decent. Not as good as Bandai, but better than the old school bootleg brands. It feels sturdy enough to work with. The panel lines are clean and sharp, which is great if you enjoy detailing your kits. There aren't many stickers, which keep things simple, but overall, the kit looks a bit plain. The main issue is the fitting. Expect a lot of loose parts. Luckily, it's easy to fix with a bit of a joint tightener or a nail polish. So is it worth it? Well, if you want a budget kit or a project to customize, this is a good choice. And with that said, this kit will get a rank of. Subscribe for more review videos like this. And also, comment down the high grades that you want me to review next. Once again, my name is gundamdek, and thank you for watching.